Well, good morning everybody, Monday morning, and just a quick one to show you my new buy, a real restoration project. Has been sitting in somebody's barn or backyard for a lot of years, less than the last time it ran. It's a John Deere Hydro 185. I don't think I got taken the cleaners on it all. Friend and neighbor here got it from. He acquired it recently and was going to fix it up, put a plow on it, but decided not to. It has a Kawasaki engine in it. Go ahead and show it to you here. A lot of parts missing off of it. It is a Kawasaki FC540 V engine and missing a few parts. Coil, an oil filler tube, carburetor. The electric PTO is on it, and it appears to be early mid-80s model. From what I've seen other manufacturers' labels on it. Anyhow, I'll go ahead and get this posted here. Hope you're all having a good day today. Bye.